Yo, what is up? Welcome back to another series. Guess this is the first series on the Free Will Photos channel. What we're going to be looking at is creating color inside of ON1 Photo Raw, manipulating color, and even removing color inside of ON1 Photo Raw. We're going to start the journey off in the first week of laying the foundation of one, what the heck is hue, saturation, and brightness, saturation versus vibrance, and then we're going to do an overview of what filters actually affect color inside of ON1 Photo Raw. Then the following 2 weeks, we're going to look at some of the very specific filters like the black and white filter, the color enhancer, the split tone filter, antique filter, color balance, curves, LUTs. Oh man, we're going to get into those. Then in the final week of July, what we're going to look at is replacing a color with using mask and doing some stuff like that. And then we're also going to look at the vintage filter. And then on July 31st, I will be back with a live stream showing you all of these things, plus answering any of the questions that I may have missed along the way. I think this is going to be a great series. I'm excited to produce it and put it out there for the community. And I ask that if you enjoy them, please hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, consider hitting subscribe. I post content mostly centered around ON1 Photo Raw on a regular basis, and I would love for you to be a part of the team, the community, and just getting to know you. So until next time, I want you guys to stay inspired and keep creating. Peace.